Safety Coordination Bill. All these are at various stages of consideration by Cabinet and Parliament to guarantee sustainable availability of well-trained, highly skilled and knowledgeable workforce needed by the sector. 1,700 students were opening institutions in 2020 to study animal health and husbandry, leather technology, dairy technology, and meat inspection. For productivity in the we have 11 new landing sites in the coastal region and finance the operation of fish management units in Shimoni and Liwatoni, which have been equipped with commercial fishing boats. We have done the same in the Lake Victoria region, where 11 fish landing sites have been established at various points on the shores of Lake Victoria and beach management units set up and equipped with fishing boats. In addition, we are setting up 2 hatcheries, one in Kabonyo to restore Lake Victoria and another in Shimoni to serve the Indian Ocean. Agriculture, ladies and gentlemen, is the engine of our economy. It strongly complements manufacturing, export trade, and the micro, small, and medium business, and directly supports our health agenda. The bottom transformation of Kenya requires us to mobilize with urgency and pursue intentional undertakings to catalyze and sustain a revolution in our shambas that will reverberate in our urban areas, towns, and cities. To accomplish this, we have committed to